Hi, I'm Stacy, and today I'm just going to show you how to make a really quick beef noodle stroganoff. This is super easy, guys. It doesn't take very many ingredients. So I'm going to start out with 1 pound of ground beef. And I'm going to add 1 cup of chopped up onion. I'm just going to keep cooking this until it's browned and the onions are translucent. Now I'm going to add in 2 cloves of minced garlic. I'm going to stir this up just for about 30 seconds so that the flavors can blend. It's time to add in 1 tablespoon of regular all-purpose flour. Just stir this in with the meat. This is going to help to thicken it toward the end. Now I will add in 1 cup of milk and 2.5 cups of beef broth. Next, I'm going to add in all the seasonings, which is 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Now I'm just going to blend this together real quick, and then it will be time to add our noodles. I have 1/2 pound of egg noodles. Just want to get these all blended together really well before I add this. Okay, so I'll stir this in. And now all I need to do is let this simmer a little bit and bubble, and it will start to cook the noodles. So this takes about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on the noodle size that you choose. Once the noodles are tender, it's time to finish this off. So now I'm just going to add in 1/2 cup of sour cream. And 1 tablespoon of butter. Just give this a nice stir, mix everything in. Last but not least, I'm just going to add in a little bit of dried parsley. Now the amount is up to you. I have about 1 tablespoon here. You might want to let this sit for about 10 minutes before serving. That way the noodles can absorb more of the liquid. And that is all there is to this. So go ahead and serve it with a nice salad. Your family will be thrilled. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.